Today, I would like to show you three great features of Salesforce Lightning App Builder. So this is the first one that I want to show you is a regular opportunity. And then right now, the stage is qualification. And I just want you to take a look at those action buttons. It just have edit, create order, submit for approval, clone. And then when I change the stage to need analysis, and then mark as current stage, and then stage was changed, and then the button changes. And in this case, I create a task one, which is not a great name, I know, but you get the idea. So task one shows up when stage is needs analysis. So let's see what it does. So in this org, for need analysis stage to move to the next one, which is a proposal price quote, you have to complete these tasks. So let's assume that these are all done. You got everything's done. And as you can see on here in the background, I added these in the key fields, and then none of them are checked. So they need to be completed and checked. So I hit the next, and then automatically it moved to the next stage, proposal price quote, and just gonna hit back here, and then all those tasks are completed, obviously. And then right now it's a proposal price quote stage. And then when the stage changes, now if you look at here, task one's gone, and then task two shows up. So this task is specific to this stage, something like that. So you can create all kinds of action buttons depending upon the context. In this case, I use different stages, but you can have different buttons for, let's say, a different product type or different users, different profile, and so on. So you can really make it easier for users to choose what buttons to help them out, and so on. So the next one I would like to show you is dynamic related list. So I'm going to go to account for this one, and then I created two tabs. Both are opportunities, but the first one is you typically probably don't use both, but I just want to show you a couple of different things. So under the opportunities tab, I created two different related lists. Both are opportunities. One is open opportunities, and another one is closed opportunities. So as you can see, open opportunity has a live opportunity that salespeople are working on, and then these are the history there. Or you can create, let's say you have a couple different product types, and then instead of having all of them, you just want to show hardware one. And this one is just the open one I created. So open opportunities, hardware only, and then you can see only open opportunity and the prototype is hardware, something like that. And then also any of these columns, you can add more, you can change however you like, whatever most important information that you want to take a look quickly, you can add this. And if you use a bigger, wider screen, something like this, and if you split into 2-to-1 type of a page layout, then as you can see, you can add more information here. So this is a very flexible related list, dynamic related list, and then you can do so many different things with that. All right, so the last thing I want to show is, I call it banner. I think it's called rich text, but it's actually pretty cool. So for example, I added creator rating, and if you change the creator rating, typically it comes from AR department, or maybe you have a creator rating software attached to Salesforce. Either way, let's say prepayment only sign shows up, and then shows up here. So those are the things that salespeople need to pay attention to. And this is so easy. Every time you look at certain customers, then you'll be reminded. So I want to change this to, let's say, approval required. So now back credit requires an approval for new business. And then let's look at the live opportunity, the one that we just saw. That was this one that we looked at it earlier. And then now the account information carry over to opportunity. So it has a back credit and it requires an approval from sales manager. So again, when you're working on opportunity, you can see that, you will have to have approval from sales manager to close this deal. And then you can have a couple of more conditions you can add. This one is $50,000 for the total price. It says the total amount is $50,000. And then, but let's say we just changed to quantity 10. And then let's see what happens. So if we add 10 and then $500,000 is the total price you can see on the opportunity as well. And then now back credit requires an approval from VP of sales. And then so it changes, and then you have to know what approval, who you need to get approval from. And then right now, of course, it doesn't have any approval. And again, those can be automated. Send an email to the VP of sales in this case, and then you can get it back, and then you can add, those get clicked, but it doesn't have it here. So if you try to close it, close one, nope, because you need approval from VP of sales. So you can add all those things to make it so much easier for salespeople to get all those details taken care of before closing the deal. So these are the three things. Again, the tasks, I use the dynamic action button for first one. And then the second one, I created a different related list. And then third one, I just show you that those banners can be used as well. So these are three features of Lightning App Builder that I really enjoy using. Thank you.